beauties, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get like my wavy crimped a hair look. So currently this is what my hair looks like, but I want it a little bit more crimped, a little bit more fluffy. So what I do to get mine, I use this right here. This is called the 3 barrel color. Now I get this from Takealot, but the only thing with this is that it gets a super hot. So all you gotta do is just open it up like this, attach some hair, and then you're good to go. So it has a setting right here, which is 180 at the bottom and then 210 on the top. So what is good about this right here is that you create like 3 curls, 3 levels, sorry, 3 crimps at one time. So there is also a 5 barrel color, but I didn't opt for it. I think this is more easier to use, but you just gotta be careful. And the retail price is about, I think, 300. I'm not even sure. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get this done. So what I'm going to do is get a clip right here so that we could layer this out. So before I started this video, I had switched it on so that it makes this whole process quicker and easier, and I don't want to keep pausing you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this up, and then I just want to show you how well it actually works. And what's nice about this is that with the color right here, it's quick and fast. So it's advisable to put your hair into a few different sections, so it makes the whole process easier. So let's give it a shot with the first curl to see if it's hard enough. So no, you're going to work this way so it's easier for the thumb rather than this way. And this way I have like little to no control over it if I use it the other way, because I don't know where it's ending and where it's starting, because the 1 barrel is just like so out of control. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You just gotta be careful. I swear to God, this thing is hot. So right here, I'm just going to do that part and then the end. I used to end up dragging, so it used to look like very weird, but now this is what it looks like. It's like a little crimp. When everything is put together, it just looks so wow. So I'm just going to continue doing this. You just gotta be able to relax the hair like so. And also it needs to be nice and hot. I don't suggest the 180 degrees. I just can't deal with it because I gotta hold it for a little bit longer. And yeah, I obviously did put on my heat spray and things like that, so heat protectant spray. So yeah, this is what we ended up with right here. So what I do notice is that the bottom part is a tad bit harder as compared to the top part. So right here I took out very less. So I'm just going to see here. This, I don't know which way it's actually working. So that's why I don't advise you going this way, because see, there's no control on this side. So see here, if you go the other way, I think I just mistaken myself. So if you go there, you don't have any control. So that's the scary part about this. And it's hot. When I say hot, I mean it's really hot. I'm not sure if you guys can see this steam, but I can. Like, I literally can. Can you? Okay. So yeah, now let's bring down, this is what I want to actually show you guys, is the top part. Because the top part, what I notice about it is that it's so easy. I just want to get out my strength in my center part. So yeah, that should be good. So yeah, right here, what I'm actually going to do is clip. I just want to show you guys this front part, how easy it actually looks. Actually is not looks, how actually. It's advisable to go down so everything sets down, but I'm just scared. I want to show you when I'm done. See how cute it looks. And then here you can just go over, like with my hair right now, because it's like fresh, it's going to be a little bit harder to stick on. And my hair is a bit wavy, so it makes everything easier. So I just want to go over this part right here because I feel like I can do better. Yeah, see. But I think I need to tackle just this part here on its own. And then just a little bit on the other side right here. My head is going like, I hope you guys are not going up and down with me like that. See how much better this side came out because and the hair color is actually straight. Woo, I almost took out my ear. So we're almost done, and then I want to show you the end result. See how nice that actually turned out. So I just want to focus a little, but yeah. So for me, that's a bit better. But I wish like I can get my curls more precise. See, I want that part a little bit more precise. But it's not working today. See, that's how nice it's actually coming out. But I mean, it's okay. It's not like it's bad. So now what I do is I just touch up and then I just take like this big chunk right here. And then I would do this on its own so that it doesn't look bad. Right. And it doesn't look like I didn't actually spend little time on my hair. It looks like I have my whole life in order. So yeah, I go a little extra here because I take a big chunk. And we are done. So here we are. Look at how beautiful this actually turned out. I just wish I had a little bit more control over the front, but as you can see, my hair just doesn't want and it's not having it today. So anyway, you guys, go and get yourself this 3 battle color. I've been using it quite a lot lately, and I'm really liking how my crimps look. So yeah, this is how I get it. So for all my beauties who don't have TikTok but want to see what's going on, here's a good few videos that I'm going to be posting over here. Mwah. Bye guys.